Welcome to this video, where we will explore how to handle invoicing with multiple currencies in Odoo. If you deal with international clients or suppliers, understanding multi-currency transactions is essential for accurate accounting and smooth business operations. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create an invoice in a different currency, process payments in multiple currencies, understand how exchange rate fluctuations impact journal entries. Let's dive right in. Creating an invoice in a different currency. To get started, open the accounting app in Odoo. Navigate to Customers' Invoices. Click Create to generate a new invoice. Select a customer from the drop-down. Before adding products, choose a currency from the drop-down. This ensures that all amounts in this invoice are recorded in the selected currency. For example, let's say we are invoicing a customer in the United States, but our company is based in Australia. By default, Odoo may set the currency to AUD, Australian dollar, but we need to change it to USD, United States dollar, for this transaction. Select USD from the currency list. Add the products or services you are invoicing for. Once done, click Confirm to validate the invoice. Registering a payment in a different currency. Once the invoice is confirmed, the next step is receiving payment. Click on Register Payment. A payment modal will appear, showing the invoice details. Here, you can change the payment currency by selecting from the drop-down next to the payment amount field. For example, imagine our US-based customer is making the payment in USD instead of Australian dollar. We select USD from the drop-down. Odoo automatically adjusts the payment amount based on the current exchange rate. Click Create Payment, and the invoice will be marked as paid. This dynamic exchange rate feature ensures that the system records the correct amount received based on real-time currency conversion. Understanding the accounting impact of exchange rate changes. One crucial aspect of multi-currency transactions is exchange rate fluctuations between the invoice date and the payment date. Odoo automatically tracks these differences and records them as foreign exchange gains or losses. For example, let's assume a sale order was created in CAD on February 18, 2020. The invoice was issued and confirmed on the same day. The customer paid the invoice the next day, February 19, 2020, but in the meantime, the CAD exchange rate dropped. This means the amount we receive in CAD is lower than expected due to currency depreciation. Odoo will create an exchange difference journal entry to account for this discrepancy. Viewing exchange difference journal entries. To check how Odoo records the exchange rate difference, go to Accounting menu, then Reports, and click on Journal Entries menu. Filter for Exchange Difference Journal. You'll see an entry recording the difference. Click on the entry to view the detailed breakdown. For example, if the exchange rate drops, Odoo will automatically debit the difference to the foreign exchange loss account, credit the difference to the product sales account. This ensures that your financial records remain accurate and compliant with accounting standards. Conclusion. And that's how multi-currency invoicing works in Odoo. We covered creating invoices in different currencies, registering payments with real-time exchange rates, understanding journal entries for exchange rate differences. Using Odoo's built-in multi-currency functionality, businesses can seamlessly handle international transactions while keeping their accounts balanced. I hope you all have a clear understanding of the concepts covered in this video. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to leave a comment below. For more support, please subscribe, share, and like the video. And don't forget to click the bell icon to stay updated on my latest releases.